Hello, welcome to another project update. All right, so today I have done two things. So the first thing I did today is I created the textures for the. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. I created the textures for the head and also the lens. If you're wondering why I'm talking about these separately, it's because the lens here is on a separate mesh from the head. The reason for that is because most of the body is on a it's on a symmetrized mesh, and there's these asymmetrical stuff is on a separate thing, I guess you could say. So, anyways, I like how this turned out here. So I think I mentioned this in a previous video, but this is like the pilot light, and this is like the main um, fuel air output for the flamethrower. This is a flamethrower, by the way. As for this lens, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Red lens, little highlight there. And of course, my approach for texturing this is to treat like a Warhammer miniature, basically just blocking out the colors and then adding edge highlights and shading in the crevices. All right, so the second thing I did today is I created a skeleton for the animation system. It is not. I'm not finished rigging it. I still have to actually do weight painting, and I didn't get enough time to actually go and do that today. But hold on, there you go. Now you can see. Oh, I'm missing some stuff here. Hold on a sec. Oh, I see the problem. So the cool thing about Blender is that if you name your you only have to create the for symmetrical stuff in the animation, in the animating rigging stuff. You only have to create like one side of the stuff, and then what you do is if so like this is the that side's the front, so this is the left side of the skeleton. So what I can do is I can type for everything that I want to be symmetrical, I could type like .l, and then if I click so you can see this bone ends with .l, and I forgot to symmetrize before, but I think if I right click and choose symmetrize, yeah, there you go. This is like the same thing, but it says .r for right. So we have left side and right side. So yeah, I think that's probably pretty much it for how I'm going to set up the skeleton. I might make changes next time, but this is basically how it's going to look. Oh yeah, and you have like this one is not symmetrical, so it does not end with .l, and same with these. So this is like the chainsaw bone, and then I have this bone here for the grabber, and then I have these two for the pincers on the grab on the. I'm calling this the grabber. I'm not really sure what else to call it, but yeah, it's got these two pincers. Like I said, it's not. I haven't done any weight painting yet, so it's not going to do anything. Oh, and then so I have this is two bones here. So this bone here is going to control this. It's going to control this thick part of the hydraulics. And this bone is going to control the skinny part of the hydraulics. What's going to happen is when this hold on. When this arm rotates like that, what's going to happen is this the hydraulics are going to extend and then when it rotates it the other way, it's gonna like contract or shrink. I'm not sure what the word is. What's the opposite of extend? I forget. Sometimes I forget words. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I think that is good enough. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.